Hello and welcome back to Hanging with the Osos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious vegetarian chili that's super quick to make, and it's going to be perfect for the colder months. So the ingredients are super simple. You're just going to need a can of tomato sauce, a can of corn, a can of kidney beans, 1 package of soyrizo, half an onion, and a bell pepper. To season that up, I'm going to go ahead and use some chicken bouillon, garlic salt, garlic powder, ground cumin, and oregano. I'm going to start by prepping all of my ingredients. So I'm just going to go ahead and chop up my onions and open up all of my cans. So you can see here that I'm using my new handheld automatic can opener. So this is from KitchenMama. Basically all you do is sit it on top and push the button. It does have a magnet that lets it stick on to the can, and then you can just easily pull off the top. And it doesn't leave any jagged edges, so there's no like cutting yourself or like anything like that. So you can see how easy this takes off all of the lids. So it does come in 2 different sizes. It comes in the large one and the little one. So thank you so much to KitchenMama for sending this to me. And if you are interested, go ahead and shop the link below so you can get one too. So then I'm just going to go ahead and start cooking. So I'm going to put that over medium heat. I'm going to drop in my onions first and then add my oil, because if you do it the other way around, the oil splashes and you can burn yourself. So I'm going to cook that up for a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper. Now I actually don't measure anything, but you can see how many cracks I did. I did about 3 or 4 salt and about 5 peppers. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. I let the onions cook up for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead and drop in the entire package of soyrizo, and I'm going to break it down a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and season it with some garlic powder. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add my cumin and oregano, and go ahead and check the description box for the exact measurements. Then I'm just going to go ahead and give that a good mix, and I'm just going to go ahead and let it cook up until it gets kind of like dark and smoky. You'll see here that it's changed color, so now it's time to add the bell peppers. The reason I do this is because it gets like that smoky flavor that just kind of descends throughout the whole soup, and it's really good. So you're just going to go ahead and cook up the soyrizo with the bell peppers by themselves for a little bit so that you can get that bell pepper flavor throughout the soup as well. After about 3 minutes or so, this is what the mixture should look like. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the rest of my ingredients. So I'm just going to do the corn, kidney beans, tomato sauce, and 2.5 cups of water. That is all my pan can hold, but if you want it a little thinner, you can just go ahead and add more water. I'm going to go ahead and give that a good mix, and then I'm going to cover it and let it come to a boil for about 10 minutes. Once that's done, go ahead and check it for flavor. So mine needed just a little bit of garlic salt, but that's pretty much it. I didn't end up using any of the chicken bouillon because it was pretty much perfect. So I went ahead and covered that again, let it cook up for about another 10 minutes or so, and it was all ready. I'm just going to give that another stir, and I'm going to go ahead and serve this over some cornbread. So there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next video. Enjoy!